This week is Halloween, and I thought you might want to know about some of the world's spookiest trees. In 1692, at the height of the witchcraft accusations in the United States, 19 men and women were hung from a place now known as Proctor's Ledge in Salem, Massachusetts. For centuries, legends claimed that a single tree stood at the hanging site, and most people claimed that it was an oak tree. 19th century retellings and drawings all point to this being the tree that they were hung from. Now, there no longer exists a tree at the site to corroborate this, but it's very likely that that tree did exist. The next spooky trees are the graveyard yews of Britain. So almost all of the old graveyards in Britain have a yew tree in them. And one of the most interesting things about this is a lot of them are actually older than the churches themselves, and they predate Christianity. So there's some theories around this. Some of them are that these were actually old pagan worship sites and that the churches were built on top of those sites. The other thing about these trees is they're incredibly old. It's very difficult to date them because they hollow out from the inside and they regrow from the inside out. So we can't really do the ring dating method that we do with a lot of other trees. In Japanese folklore, the Jiboko trees are trees that are vampiric, and they are born from battlefields where so much blood has seeped into the ground that the trees themselves are hungry for more blood. It's said that they look ordinary on the outside, but they lure in travelers and drink their blood. It's also said that these trees, when they are cut themselves, bleed. There are some trees that have this bleeding property though. On the island of Socotra, we have the dragon's blood tree, and it has this really beautiful umbrella of branches. And the dragon's blood tree has a red, bright crimson resin that comes out, and this is used medicinally as well as for dyes. Our last tree grows in southern India. The Cerbera odolum tree is called by locals the pong pong tree or the suicide tree. Inside the green fruit is a seed that contains cerberin, a potent cardiac stopping chemical that is named after Cerberus, the Hound of Hades. For centuries, the seed was used as a poison. It was crushed into the drinks and food of enemies, as well as to sadly end people's own suffering. Paradoxically, this is actually used by local healers in microdoses to help with cardiac conditions, in the same way that we use digitalis from foxglove. I hope you have a happy Halloween, and as always, follow for more historical herbalism.